Welcome to the Pelco CM9770 CM9780 Training Module 1 Product Introduction. In this module, you'll learn about the new features of the CM9770 and CM9780 systems. We'll talk about the overall system architecture and compare it to previous CM9740 and CM9760 versions. We'll also find out about exciting new changes both in hardware and software. The Pelco CM9770 and CM9780 systems are designed to be our next-generation high-density matrix switching solutions. They share many of the same features and functionality that made the CM9740 and CM9760 products so successful, but provide even more power and control in a significantly smaller space. In addition, these new systems help the customer save time and money because they're easier to install and maintain than ever before. The position of the new systems in the marketplace and within our product line is a bit different from the older 9740-9760 systems. Up to this point, the CM9740 system has been very effective in applications requiring up to 256 cameras and up to 32 monitors. And the CM9760 system has typically been used for applications requiring up to 2,048 cameras and up to 512 monitors. But the new CM9770 and 9780 systems will now reside at the top of our matrix switcher line and are the systems to quote for these high-end applications. The CM9770 system is optimized for sites requiring up to 256 cameras or from 16 to 512 monitors. The CM9780 system is our best solution for applications with more than 256 cameras and more than 16 monitors. And our older 9740 and 9760 systems are still the best choice for applications with less than 16 monitors. Similar to our current products, the core 9770-9780 system still consists of a CPU, a matrix bay, and a keyboard. The 9770-9780 systems are 100% compatible with the same peripherals as our 9740 and 9760 series. Devices such as alarm interface units, relay units, network interface units, hot switches, and more are all fully functional. There are, however, three primary differences when compared to the older 9740 and 9760 systems, and these are the matrix bay density, the physical video connections on the matrix bay itself, and the maximum node size possible. CM9770 matrix bays are based on a 256 input by 32 output design. Video connections are made directly on the rear panel of the matrix bay. Using additional matrix bays, the CM9770 system supports up to 2,048 cameras and 512 monitors on a single node. Up to 24 nodes can be combined together to share video in large-scale applications. The CM9780 system supports up to 512 inputs and 32 outputs within a single bay. But with video connections on the CM9780, there's simply not enough space on the rear panel to support all 512 BNC connections. Instead, video is brought into patch panels, which in turn connect to the matrix bay using ribbon cables. The patch panel for the CM9780 bay is called the CM9700 VPP. It has 32 BNC inputs for connecting video and 2 coax ribbon cables that connect to the rear of the 9780 matrix bay. For applications where rack real estate is at a premium, multiple patch panels can be connected together by using a CM9700 VPP-RK. This rack mount kit holds 16 VPP panels in a vertical orientation, maximizing available rack space. Using additional matrix bays, the CM9780 system supports up to 4,096 cameras and 512 monitors on a single node. Like the 9770, up to 24 nodes can be combined together to form a large-scale system. Because of the higher density design provided by the new CM9770 and 9780 matrix bays, customers can realize a space savings of anywhere from 50 to 75% when compared to the 9760 system. One of the new features of the CM9770 and 9780 system is the included mounting baffle, which is shipped free of charge in every Matrix Bay package. The mounting baffle provides two benefits. First, it acts as a support shelf when installing the Matrix Bay into a rack. After attaching the mounting baffle to both the front and rear rails of the rack, an installer can then lift the heavy Matrix Bay, place it on top of the mounting baffle, and then secure it in place without having to physically support its weight at the same time. The second benefit of the mounting baffle is that it manages the airflow throughout the rack. It does this by directing air in through the front slots and then allowing it to flow up through the matrix switching bay and then out the back of the rack. This prevents trapped heat from accumulating within a multi-bay system and helps the system operate more effectively and reliably. The new matrix switching bays have been designed with the technician in mind when it comes to system diagnostic monitoring and serviceability. Captive thumb screws have been utilized in both the front and rear of the matrix bay, preventing the screws from being accidentally dropped or lost during installation and servicing. The front panel also has spring-attached hinges, allowing the entire panel to be easily removed, giving technicians quick and easy access to the inside of the unit. In addition, each matrix switching bay contains diagnostic LEDs, which can be clearly seen through the front panel. These diagnostic LEDs continually communicate the status of each module within the bay. The technician can quickly identify problems at a glance, such as a system fault, video loss, or a power supply failure. The improved design of the new high-density bays provides several additional key advantages. Flash technology is employed throughout the system components, allowing quick and easy field updates from any laptop or desktop computer. A serial COM port connection and a single button press on the PC is all that's required to bring the CM9770-9780 system up to date with the latest version of firmware. Automatic version management allows any new module being plugged into the bay for expansion or for servicing to be automatically checked and configured. The bay will automatically compare the version running in the new module to the version of code that's running in all of the other modules within the bay, and if necessary will update the version of code on each module to match. Enhanced on-screen alphanumeric characters provide smaller fonts that take up less screen space, giving users a better view of the live video. It also provides multiple language support. Another exciting feature is the new System Manager software. This comprehensive software package provides a powerful tool for configuring all parameters within the CM9770 and 9780 systems. The new manager is smarter. The implementation of system rules allows the software to check and apply configuration parameters to prevent an installer from programming an illegal configuration. Additionally, System Manager checks database integrity between itself and the CC1, ensuring reliable and accurate shared data. The new Manager software is also much more intuitive. Setup wizards greatly simplify the process of system configuration, getting new users up and running in no time. Users are presented with simple questions such as how many cameras, how many monitors, or how many keyboards. The system then guides them step by step through the configuration settings that are appropriate for the device that's being added to the system. Additionally, macros and alarms now contain full descriptive text, eliminating guesswork and making the programming process even easier than before. And finally, the new Manager software is faster. It provides powerful sorting features, allowing users to customize exactly how information is displayed on screen. Navigation and viewing is faster and easier than ever before. Powerful editing tools also add to the Manager software's speed. Users familiar with standard copy and paste or find and replace functions will feel right at home. Overall, the new high-density system is far easier to operate, faster, and more intuitive than any previous matrix switching system that Pelco has offered. The CM9770 system architecture supports up to 256 inputs and 32 outputs per bay, and up to 2,048 inputs and 512 outputs per node. The CM9780 system supports up to 512 inputs and 32 outputs per bay, and up to 4,096 inputs and 512 outputs per node. This new high-density design requires 50 to 75% less space than other 9760 systems. Thanks to hardware improvements such as a new mounting baffle, diagnostic LEDs, flash updates, version management, and enhanced on-screen alphanumerics, installation and servicing have been greatly simplified. Additionally, the enhanced System Manager software allows even faster and easier system configuration than ever before. You have concluded the CM9770 CM9780 Module 1 product introduction.